Have you ever stood up from a chair and thought, wow, that felt harder than it used to? Or maybe you've started avoiding stairs because they just feel too much. You're not alone. After 60, many people begin noticing that their legs feel weaker. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay that way. What if you could restore strength, stability, and energy to your legs in a way that feels like turning back the clock? No, we're not talking about magic pills or extreme workouts. We're talking about simple, safe, and scientifically supported ways to help you move with confidence and maybe even feel like you have 30-year-old legs again. Yes, really. In this video, we're going to share 7 of the easiest and most effective things you can do starting today to strengthen your legs, improve balance, boost circulation, and walk more freely. Stick with us, because we'll also share a bonus tip at the end that can make a huge difference in how your legs feel. But most people over 60 don't even know about it. Let's get started. Section 1. Wake up your muscles with morning leg activation. When you first wake up in the morning, your muscles have been inactive for hours. This includes your leg muscles, your calves, hamstrings, quads, and glutes. Starting your day with gentle movement can wake up those muscles and improve circulation. What to do? Before you even get out of bed, try this. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and do simple ankle pumps, pointing and flexing your toes. Then, slowly bring one knee toward your chest. Hold for 10 seconds and switch legs. After you sit up, do 10 gentle seated leg extensions, lifting one leg at a time and holding for 2 seconds. This whole routine takes under 5 minutes, but it can help reduce stiffness, improve blood flow, and prepare your legs for a smoother day ahead. Science says. A 2021 study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that morning mobility exercises can reduce fall risk and joint pain by as much as 23% in seniors over 65. So think of this as your good morning to your legs. Section 2. Embrace the power of chair squats. You don't need a gym to build leg strength. One of the most powerful leg exercises can be done right in your living room, using nothing but a sturdy chair. Here's how. Stand in front of your chair. Cross your arms or hold them out. Lower yourself down slowly, as if you're going to sit. Right before you touch the seat, pause. Then push through your heels to stand back up. If that's too hard, start by sitting down fully and standing up again with support. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Why it works. Chair squats engage the biggest muscles in your legs, your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings. These are the same muscles that help you get out of a car, climb stairs, and walk safely. Science backs it up. A study in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine showed that seniors who did bodyweight squats 3 times a week improved leg strength by 28% in just 6 weeks. Start small. Even 3 reps a day can make a difference. Over time, your 30-year-old legs will thank you. Section 3. Rebuild balance with the heel-to-toe walk. Let's talk about balance. One of the biggest leg-related challenges as we age is not just strength, but stability. The good news? There's a simple exercise to train your balance using just a hallway or kitchen floor. It's called the heel-to-toe walk. Here's how. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe, and walk forward slowly. Keep your arms out to the sides for balance. Do 10 steps, turn around, and repeat. Try it once a day near a wall or counter for safety. Why it helps. This trains your ankles, hips, and knees to work together, which is critical for preventing falls. Section 4. Boost circulation with gentle leg massage. Sometimes your legs don't feel weak. They just feel tired, heavy, or swollen. That could be due to poor circulation. Here's a trick: massage. Using a soft lotion or oil, gently massage your legs from your ankles upward. Using long, light strokes. Focus on the calves and thighs. Even better, use a small foam roller or massage ball under your feet and calves for 5 minutes a day. Why it matters. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients get to your leg muscles, helping them recover and stay energized. Scientific insight. A 2019 review in the Journal of Aging and Health found that regular leg massage improved walking ability and reduced leg fatigue in seniors by over 20%. Plus, it feels great. And you deserve that. Real data. According to the CDC, seniors who practice balance exercises 3 times a week reduce their fall risk by 39%. That's huge. Section 5. Eat for stronger legs. Yes, food matters. We can't talk about leg health without talking about fuel. Your muscles need the right nutrients to stay strong, and unfortunately, many people over 60 unknowingly eat too little protein or skip vital nutrients. Here's what helps. Protein: lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans. Vitamin D: fatty fish, mushrooms, fortified milk. Magnesium and potassium: bananas, spinach, sweet potatoes. Hydration: yes, water plays a role in muscle health too. Sample breakfast idea: Greek yogurt with berries and a boiled egg. Tasty, easy, and leg-friendly. Research says. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who consumed 25-30 g of protein per meal preserved more leg muscle mass than those who didn't. So yes, food is leg medicine. Section 6. Flexibility first. Stretch to stay young. We all know the feeling of tight hamstrings or stiff hips, but regular stretching can truly make your legs feel younger. Here are 2 simple ones. 1. Hamstring stretch. Sit on a chair. Extend one leg and gently reach toward your toes. Hold 20 seconds. 2. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall. Place one foot behind and press your heel down. Do these once or twice a day. Why it works. Stretching improves range of motion, reduces pain, and supports better posture and walking mechanics. In fact, according to the Journal of Aging Research, just 10 minutes of daily stretching helped improve leg flexibility and walking ability in adults over 65 within 1 month. Start slow. Even a little stretch goes a long way. Section 7. Take a walk, but walk smart. Walking is still one of the best exercises for your legs. But how you walk matters just as much as how far you go. Try this. Walk at a brisk pace, not slow, not rushed, just purposeful. Swing your arms gently and keep your posture tall. Walk on different surfaces: pavement, grass, indoors, to challenge your leg muscles in safe ways. Consider using walking poles for extra balance and arm engagement. Even 15 minutes a day makes a difference. Evidence. A study in The Lancet showed that walking 7,000 steps a day, even broken into short walks, reduced mobility decline by 32% in people over 60. Section 8. Use resistance bands. The secret to safe strength. Don't let the word resistance scare you. Resistance bands are safe. Lightweight tools that gently challenge your muscles and are especially great for your legs. Try this easy exercise. Seated leg press. Wrap a resistance band around your foot while sitting. Hold the ends and push your foot forward like you're pressing on a gas pedal. Do 10-15 reps per leg. It targets the quads and calves safely. Why it helps? Resistance training boosts strength without heavy impact and prevents muscle loss as we age. Science proves it, according to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. Seniors who used resistance bands 3 times a week saw measurable improvements in leg strength in just 4 weeks. And yes, they're portable and affordable. Section 9. Prioritize your feet because every step starts there. Think about it, your legs are only as strong as your foundation, your feet. Caring for your feet can improve leg posture, reduce pain, and even improve balance. Here's what to do. Roll your foot over a tennis ball for 2 minutes per foot. Do toe scrunches using a towel on the floor. Wear properly fitted, supportive shoes. Avoid flip-flops or worn-out soles. Fun fact: the average person walks 75,000 miles in their lifetime. Your feet do a lot of work. Real science. Foot strengthening exercises have been shown to improve ankle stability and reduce falls in seniors by up to 20%, according to a 2022 study in Gait and Posture Journal. Your legs will thank you. Section 10. Don't ignore rest. Recovery is growth. Finally, let's talk about something we often overlook: rest. Overworking tired leg muscles, especially as we age, can cause more harm than good. So make rest part of your leg health routine. Elevate your legs for 15 minutes after activity. Alternate intense days with gentle ones. Prioritize 7-8 hours of quality sleep. Why it matters. Muscles repair and grow stronger during rest, not while you're exercising. Backed by science. The Sleep Health Foundation reports that poor sleep is directly linked to slower muscle recovery and higher fall risk in older adults. So yes, resting is not lazy. It's leg medicine. Conclusion, the takeaway. So let's bring it all together. If you want to feel like you have 30-year-old legs again, the key is consistency, not intensity. Let's recap the 7 easiest, most effective things you can do. 1. Morning activation stretches to start the day. 2. Chair squats for strength. 3. Heel-to-toe walks for balance. 4. Gentle massage for circulation. 5. Smart nutrition for muscle support. 6. Daily stretching for flexibility. 7. Regular walking for endurance. Bonus tips like resistance bands, foot care, and sleep. You don't need to do all of them today. Pick 2 or 3. Try them for a week. Then build from there. Your legs are your freedom. They take you to the kitchen, to the garden, to visit your grandkids, to dance at weddings and walk by the ocean. Give them the care they deserve. And who knows? You just might find that feeling of youthful strength and movement one step at a time. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like. And consider subscribing to Senior Way, where we make healthy aging easier. One tip at a time. And be sure to watch our next video, where we'll show you the top 4 foot mistakes seniors make and how to fix them in 5 minutes or less. Thank you for watching. Take care and take that first step today.